Hey, what's going on? Thanks for getting easy SSL profits, and this is your bonus video, and I just wanted to talk through just a key thing for you to know as it relates to the search engine Google finding and indexing the website that you're working on. So once you upgrade a website to SSL so it shows up as secure in the browsers, what you need to do, and this should, part of this should already be done in terms of, helping make sure a website is indexed and everything in Google search engine, is you go to google.com/webmasters. Now, if you're doing this for a client, this is something which, maybe if they've already got an SEO firm, maybe somebody else is already doing it. So in that case, maybe you just want to write up a quick email that explains that the client should reach out to their SEO and let them know to do this because you're upgrading to SSL. Otherwise, this is something that you can offer as kind of a add-on service that you could offer this client, which is just helping them out with some basic SEO stuff. You could offer a couple different packages from monthly management down to if they've got a lower budget, just doing a few things for them just to kind of help boost their rankings for a couple $100 as kind of a once-off. But anyway, what you want to do is you just want to make sure, whether you're doing it, managing it for them, or somebody else is that they go to google.com/webmasters, and then once you upgrade to SSL, you should have 4 entries in the webmasters section of Google for this website. And so those 4 are just the HTTP, or the first 2. So those are the ones that should already be there, right? And basically it's just site.com and then www.site.com. And see, what happens is, from a indexing standpoint, Google kind of treats every one of these addresses as a different website. And there's some settings inside the Webmaster Tools where you can kind of say, which one is the one that Google should treat as the one. But for all intents and purposes, all 4 should be there according to what they write on the Google blogs for search engine stuff. So I don't ask too many questions. It doesn't always make sense, but I just do what they say is what they recommend. So now what we're going to do, that you upgraded to secure the website, is you just need to enter these 2 properties in the Google Webmasters area. So it'll just have the https:/site.com and then https:/www.site.com. So all total, one website that is now secure and has the HTTPS. It's now been upgraded. It should have 4 total entries in Webmasters. So let's bounce over here to the Search Console. I'm already logged into my Webmasters account, and basically, to add those 2, all you have to do once you're logged in is click Add a Property. Okay, and then that's just going to ask you, is it a website or an app? And then you just, like we just talked about, you just enter the, I can't type and talk at the same time, so give me a second here. Okay, so you just enter the address, the first one that you want to add. Okay, and that's going to add it for you and take you to the main dashboard just for that site. And it's just going to say, check your email for a message with next steps. And basically you just have to verify that it's just going to send an email to the address that's set up with Webmasters, Google Webmasters, and ask you to verify the change and the addition there. And so that's the first thing you want to do, and then you just want to go back to the main screen and add another one, colon, and then the www, right? So I just recently upgraded my YourInternetLifestyle.com site to HTTPS as well. So that's why I'm kind of using that as our example here. Okay, so now what it's going to say is verify your ownership of HTTPS, and all I'll do is here, let me bring this into view here for you. All I'll do, since I've already got Google Analytics set up on that site, I can just click to verify. Otherwise, it may ask you to add a piece of code, or what you can do is kind of just open up a new tab in your browser and set up Google Analytics on the site if it isn't already there. Do that first, and then come back here to Webmasters and do the verify, and and then you'll be all good. So that's all we have to do. And boom, then you're all set up, and now Google is happy, and you're not going to sort of jeopardize any of the search engine ranks and stuff. And the next thing I would do, and I'm not going to cover it in this video, but is add the sitemap again. So it'll be the same sitemap that you're already using, but you just want to use the same one for all 4 of those addresses. So do that, and you'll be golden. So that's your bonus. That's something you can either upsell or just do to be cool. This is particularly important, for you as a website owner as well, just to take care of this once you upgrade your website. So that's it. That's me signing off, and we'll see you next time.